I'm going to read my organ grinder translation with a number of changes I made to it this morning. Last night I went to bed thinking I had nailed it. Boy, was I wrong. The organ grinder. There beyond the town an organ grinder stands, and with frozen fingers plays as best he can. Barefoot on the ice he totters to and fro, at his feet a saucer always empty lies. No one wants to listen to an old man play, no one but a pack of mangy, growling dogs, seemingly indifferent to his audience. He keeps making music practically non-stop. Doddering old weirdo, if I go with you, will you grind your organ while I sing my song?